Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Kalifornsky local and long-distance movers near me. You need a reliable transport company in Kalifornsky, Alaska? Look no further than 3 Men and 1 Truck Moving Company. Our wide range of services has been available and to a great number of people across the country. Work with 3Movers. 3Movers is a qualified, reliable, and fast-moving company that offers you excellent services that match your needs. Our staff work hard to understand your needs before establishing the best plan for you depending on your needs. How much does it cost to move in Kalifornsky, Alaska? Our pricing is reasonable, and you can pick and select the services that best suit your needs and budget. Our team will listen to your needs and create a strategy that will ensure your complete pleasure. Moving services. This is the wide range of services at your disposal. Long-distance moving, local moving, international and overseas moving, packing and crating, furniture disassembly and reassembly, residential moving, commercial and office moving, military moving, auto transport, storage, container moving, specialty moving, moving resources. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.